Yeah. Come on, we have to pretend to sleep so your mommy can say, okay,
Under the blanket.
you guys are napping. Okay. We have to sleep for 5 minutes, remember? Close your eyes.
Beep, 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 beep. Beep, beep, beep.
You're snoring, Levi.
Yes, snoring like daddy.
You're snoring like daddy.
Yes.
Okay.
Beep, 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 beep. Beep, 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 beep.
You're so silly.
You're killing me.
Okay. We gotta take a nap now, remember?
Beep, 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 beep.
Okay. What? Yeah, no, we can't.
Why?
Because we gotta sleep for 5 minutes. Come on, we gotta take a nap. A quick nap.
Beep, 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 beep. Beep, beep,
Why are
beep,
you
beep.
snoring?
Huh?
Why are you snoring so loud?
I'm snoring.
Okay. Okay, but we need to go buy milk, okay?
I don't need milk.
Yes, we do need milk.
It's the morning already.
Now we gotta sleep for 5 minutes. Remember, it's not 5 minutes yet.
Wee, 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 wee. Wee, wee. Ah! I found it under Chris's tree.
You did.
And I found one.
Okay, come on, Poo Poo.
I found one.
So,
Just for now.
okay, but we have to take a nap for 5 minutes, remember?
Okay.
Levi, you have to sleep too, so we can wake up and go.
Okay, let's tippy toes out.
You want to be told out?
Yes.
But we haven't even taken our nap.
No, I have tippy toes like
Yeah. Okay, but you guys have to wait, okay? I need to rest for 5 minutes. And then we'll go buy milk. And we could,
Mommy, what do I have to do it?
okay.
What do I have to do it?
I don't know, baby.
It's a puppy I have to do it.
There's a puppy at the door.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, it's okay.
I go right. See, I told you.
Remember, your mommy said you have to take a nap.